Welcome back, Diamonds. It's your girl Eva Tarae, back at you with yet another video. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. Please take a moment to click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you can become a part of the Diamond Squad and know as soon as I drop another video. So I'm gonna get right into this. This is my 3.5 month Sisterlock update. Your girl's still loving it. Look at them. Look at them. I'm still braiding and banding. Right now I am going through some breakage. The absolute ends of my Sisterlocks are permed, so while the rest of my hair is actually the process of starting to lock. Since that's straight, it's kind of just, you know, slowly dropping off. I'm still using the Nioxin. I'm still loving it. I use that now exclusively. I was kind of switching it up between that and the Sisterlock shampoo. I ran out of the Sisterlock shampoo. I'm not a big fan of it, so I don't see myself repurchasing that at all. I would probably say the cons around month, maybe 6 weeks, 6-8 weeks. I feel out of love with them. Like, I was just like, it was looking kind of raunchy. They would frizz everywhere. I still can't put it in a ponytail yet. I'm getting there though. I'm loving the bang stage though. Like, I love like wearing my hair up like this. I think that is super, super cute. But we're getting there. It has grown a whole hell of a lot. I can't even deny my hair that. Like, they in there doing their thing. So my first two reties, were 4 weeks. And no, my first one was the month, the freebie, the one you get a month in, and then my second one was 5 weeks. And then we've been doing every 5 weeks from there, because it's like a little frizzy at the base, but not horrible, not too bad, not too much for her to for Chrissy to contain. So we're gonna go with the 5. Let's see, what else can I tell you guys. I've been using rose water that I get from Target from my scalp because it still gets dry. The flakes aren't as big, nothing like what I was experiencing before, but I still experience dryness. So I take like, I don't even know what to call it, but I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it's what you put like ketchup and stuff in. I put it in there and like actually put it directly on my scalp because I don't want it to so much get my hair wet. I just want my scalp to kind of be drenched in all that goodness, you know. I recently got my hair retied. I did it. Today is Thursday. I got it retied Wednesday? No, Tuesday. I got it retied Tuesday. Today is Thursday, so it's been about 3 days. It's not due for a wash. I probably won't wash it till next week. But I honestly love the first week I get it retied, and then the last week that it needs to be retied. Like, it's all frizzy and fuzzy. It kind of looks cute then, and it looks really cute now. So enough with that rambling. I am probably going to insert some pictures from my retie. Chrissy did, was a doll, and took some pictures and sent them to me so that I could show you guys what is going on. I want you guys to be safe out here with this COVID-19. If you are seeing your loctician, make sure that you guys are being safe. I'm not one to judge because I knew I was getting my hair done, but Chrissy made sure that the environment was as safe as it could possibly be. In my situation, I would recommend it, but I don't recommend it for everyone. You guys are adults. You guys can make great decisions. I just want you to be careful. Be very, very careful, because the Rona ain't playing, and it's taking people out, y'all. It's just taking us out. So enough with the rambling. I'm gonna insert these pictures. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. I think I love the back ones the most. They actually have like little buds on the end. And there's just this one right here that just won't lock for the life of us. Every 6 weeks she has to like start it over. But yeah, these are my babies. I love them. I love them. I love them. If you guys are in the Minneapolis area, I definitely want you to check Chrissy out. Freedom of Beauty. She is thebomb.com. She gets invested in your hair. Those are her babies as well as yours. She is going to make sure you absolutely have the best experience possible. Diamonds, that's all I have for you. I love my hair. I'm gonna see you probably at month 6. We'll see. We'll do a link check at month 6 and see what's going on. But I am going to do a couple makeup tutorials since I'm not going back to work that I hear now until June 1st. So I have absolutely no excuse. None. Zilch, zero, nada. No excuse not to pump you guys out some videos. So with that being said, diamonds, stay safe. I wish you guys well. Until next time.